Hello everyone, it's Dr. H. Today I'm going to introduce more about speech therapy. So this is the way a speech is transmitted. As we talked about before, transmission is for vibration, not for the particles. Because particles, if I speak here, the particles close to me vibrate back and forth, not too far away, just around its resting state. Then the movement of these particles affect its neighbor here. Its neighbor also move accordingly. So particles close to me and its neighbors, they move at the same time. Sometimes they close, sometimes they far away. And if they are close, this causes the condensation. If they're far away, this causes rarefaction. So transmission is not of the particles. Transmission is for the vibration. Vibration transmits from my mouth to your ear. So that's an important factor to remember. With that in mind, we know that there are two kinds of vibrations: vowels and consonants. Vowels, they're periodic based on time, which means the pattern of vowels repeats regularly over time. Consonants, on the other hand, they are non-periodic. There's no regular pattern of vibration. Vowels are produced with open vocal tract. Our vocal cord are open. The air flows without much obstruction out. Like A, like E, like I, like O, all kinds. Consonants, they are generated by complete or partial closure of our vocal cord. Like P with lips, like T with the front of tongue, like K with the back of the tongue, like H produced in the throat, like F and S pronounced by forcing air through a narrow channel, so-called fricatives, like M and N, with air flowing through the nose, so-called nasals. These 6 subcategories of consonants, all of them have non-periodic pattern over time. Why? We can take a look at their fine structure. If I go to see a speech therapist, if I want to do a speech therapy, oftentimes my speech therapist records my speech for further analysis. What do speech therapists look at? they look at this. This is a recording of a vowel. Ah, ah. The x-axis is time. This is time. The y-axis is the air vibration close to the recorder. So we can see for this guy, the duration of the recording is 0.8 seconds. In this 0.8 seconds, I finish pronouncing a vowel, ah, ah. Why we say ah is periodic over time? To understand that, we can look at a rule mean. This is time domain or time axis. Y-axis is vibration. So we can see the air particles vibrate in a regular pattern repeatedly. So remember the duration of this is 0.05 second. 0.05 second. So this is rule mean picture. If I have an issue with my throat, my tongue, my mouth, or my lips, the speech therapist can detect them after examining my recording. And my speech therapist can tell me which vowel I have issue speaking. For comparison, let's look at a consonant. This is a consonant. S, s, for 0.8 seconds. If we do the same rule mean, we check the consonant for 0.05 seconds. We don't see any regular pattern. This is why we say consonants are mostly non-periodic. You don't see a periodic pattern over time for that. Comparison. Vowel, periodic, consonant, non-periodic. So my speech therapist can tell by examining each syllable, by examining each consonant, each vowel I pronounce, and do corrections or training for me. So with this technique, by examining each individual consonant and vowel I speak, a speech therapist can define a strategy and personalize the way to train my speech. In that sense, it's very important for us to understand the fundamentals of speech, vibration, and speech therapy, how they are related. This is all for today. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to the icon on the right. Your subscription can help other people in need. Thank you.